Maite Thabiso who burnt Matlhori's house for not paying them R5000 explain. Maite Thabiso who burnt Mahlori Shipalane's house for not paying them R5k explain it in video and make fun of it. Watch. Video of the girls who burnt Matlhori's house, son of a tycoon from Limpopo. Apparently the two girls slay queens who burnt Mahlori's house is Maite from Mokopane and Thabiso from Polokwane. In the video we could hear one of the girls mentioning that they had to borrow money to travel to the broke nigger. The broke Mahlori left them in the house on Saturday and left for Nels Pruitt without paying them the agreed amount of R5000 which they were to split 50/50ths. The girls have gone hiding and links to the girls disclosed to us that they are hiding somewhere in Pretoria. Bomogul must be paid Thabiso to avoid unnecessary outcomes.
Yeah.